Hello friends, today again we are talking about safety helmet, the subject. It is very important each one of you at construction sector. This helps us from the falling objects. There is connecting to the head injuries. This is very important to the sector, and make sure that the first of thing about the helmet, what are the important segments, what are the important parts of the helmet to be inspected prior to wearing the helmet. To see inside internal parts of, there is a white color which is showing like a shell. It's called as a cell. It's impacts when the falling object on your helmet. It helps like a shock absorb, so the impact completely reduced because of this cell. This is very important. And see the internal parts again, the sweatband is there, and there is a adjustment for the retractable devices there, and you can pull and push adjustment of your head requirement positions. And outside you can see there is a drench type given, which is if rain comes, the water will flow in the drench and comes to forward of the helmet, and it helps to avoid a drenching rain. This is how the helmet helps us in the construction sector. Thank you very much.